a curve is given and its gradient is given. Remember, if it is a curve and a gradient is given, the dy dx is what? Gradient of the tangent. Always remember this. And then they give me this point P18. Okay, let's see what I have to find. I have to find the midpoint of QR. So I need to find the point Q and point R. So what is this Q and R? They come from the intersect of the normal to the axis. So let's go and find the equation of normal. What is normal? Normal means normal line. So write the answer format y equal to mx plus c. Because the question say at P, I know the P. So I know the coordinate of the x coordinate and the y coordinate. So this is 8. I don't know the m, 1 plus c. If I have my m, then I'm done. But what I have with me in the question, m tangent, not the m normal. So let's go and find this. This is exactly your dy dx. Substitute the value. What is your x value? 1. So 6 minus 2. So 4 is 2. So if m tangent is this, then m normal is what? Can you recall? How to find that? Is, let's say this is your tangent. This is your tangent, yeah? So to find the normal, you get 90 degree here, right? If tangent line's gradient is 2, then this one is negative 1 over 2. Recall this, m1 times m2 equals to negative 1. So every time you want to find the other gradient, then you just do negative 1 over the previous gradient. So let me try. I'll show you whether it works or not. Negative 1 over 2. Isn't it negative half? Yeah, simple concept. Negative half. Take that and put here, negative half. Get your C value, 8.5. So equation of normal is what? Y equal to negative half x. This one you can write it as 17 over 2 plus 17 over 2. So this is my normal line. And the normal line meets the axis. At axis, how many axes you have? X-axis and then y-axis. At x-axis, what is 0? The y. At y-axis, what is 0? The x. Substitute into this and this. Put 0, see what you get. You get 17 over 2 here. And then you get 17. So middle point, find the midpoint. Any one of it can be Q and the R. You don't know, who cares? They never tell me which one is where. All I want is the midpoint of QR. So find the midpoint. 17 x1 plus x2 divided by 2. y1 plus y2 divided by 2. 17 over 2 comma 17 over 4. You write in decimal. This looks ugly. Okay, you write in decimal. Now they said find the equation of the curve. How to find the equation of the curve? Is the equation of curve y equal to mx plus c? Don't make that mistake. Y equal to mx plus c, it's equation of a line, not the curve. Curvy won't have ax plus b format. It can be any other with cube or power 1 over 4. Yeah. So this kind of question, you want to get the y. From the dy dx, how to convert into a y? What is the process? You integrate. Integrate 4 6 minus 2x dx. It looks ugly, the down part, right? I don't have product group quotient rule in integration. So the only step I can do now is bring up. Follow plus 1 to this. Half over half. You differentiate the inner part. You differentiate this, what you get? negative 2. What do you do with the number in front? This number, what do you do? Just put it back here. Plus the c. That's right. So if I simplify this, the answer is negative 1. So it's negative 4 square root 6 minus 2x. Y plus c. I need to crack the c value, right? What should I do to find this? What you have? You have a coordinate, correct? P, which is 1, 8. Put back 8. C is 16. So your equation of curve is y equals to negative 4 square root 6 minus 2x plus 16.